Assalamualaikum. Good morning. I'm your teacher. My name is Rashida Kazafi and our class is UKGA. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. Okay, so our subject is maths. Today we are going to study the maths, which is very interesting. So, today is Tuesday. Tues. Tues. Day. Day. Tuesday, comma 8th. Today is 8th December. Decem. December. December. Okay. And 2020. 2020. Full stop. Okay. So our topic is diamond shape. Today we are going to do the diamond shape. Okay. Okay, now let's revise the shapes, the first term shapes. We have some shapes. First we have to revise them. Here we have circle. This is circle. This is circle. This is square. It is square. This is triangle. This is oval. And this is rectangle. Okay, now revise with me. Circle. 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 Square. 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 TRIANGLE. Triangle. Rectangle. 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 Oval. 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 Okay, now let's start the work. Let's start our worksheet. Okay, so first you have to write the date. Okay, the full date. Then what is the spelling of diamond? DIAMOND. Diamond. Okay. Now students, revise it with me. DIAMOND. Diamond. Again, DIAMOND. 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 Okay. I hope that you all have understand today's topic. Meet you in our next lecture. Take good care of your health. Keep smiling. Allah Hafiz.